Today we will discuss preparation of alcohol. First one, from alkene. From alkene, how we can prepare alcohol. Now there are three different methods: by acid catalyzed hydration, second one oxymercuration demercuration, and last one hydroboration oxidation. First method, by acid catalyzed hydration. Now in alkene, first dilute H2SO4 that act as a catalyst. First step, it will form CH2 HSO4. On hydrolysis we will get ethanol, that is acid catalyzed hydration. Acid catalyzed hydration, that first step, that H2SO4 that act as a that catalyst, and second step that followed by hydrolysis. Second method, oxymercuration and demercuration. Now this one, water addition according to Markovnikov rule. Water addition according to Markovnikov rule, that oxymercuration demercuration. So here we will apply that Markovnikov rule. So we are taking that unsymmetric alkene, that propene. In first step C, mercuric acetate AgOCOCH3 whole 2, that mercuric acetate, THF water, THF tetrahydrofuran solvent, THF tetrahydrofuran water. First step reagent. In first step C, we will discuss that mechanism. Let write that reaction first. First step we will get this compound. Next one, demercuration, NaBH4 alkaline medium, and you will get that final product, isopropanol. So here what happened? Water addition according to Markovnikov rule. Next we have to learn that mechanism. Now see, all these mechanism not in our syllabus, but if you learn mechanism, you can easily remember all these reactions. You do not have to memorize the product if you remember that mechanism. See, first step what happened? Water, propene, mercuric acetate. Okay, see what happened. Now that lone pair of water, that nucleophilic attack to that carbon, that middle carbon, nucleophilic attack. Then this bond break and attack that mercury, and that acetate that will release. So in first step C, that acetate and that H plus from that water. So acetic acid is the byproduct of that first step. Main product, see this one is your main product, and byproduct acetic acid, that acetate radical and that H plus from that water. So H plus and CH3CO minus that will combine to form that acetic acid. Mechanism of that first step. Now second step. Now in second step what happened? NaBH4 alkaline medium. Now NaBH4C is a reducing agent. Now actually what happens, see that NaBH4 that will produce that hydride. NaBH4 can easily produce hydride H minus. So we will get that isopropanol as a final product. That is the mechanism of oxymercuration demercuration. Now in this case we will get only one product, that Markovnikov product, okay, remember. But in that acid catalyzed, what happened? More stable carbocation, that will give that major product, less stable carbocation, that will give that minor product. But in this case you will get only one product, hydroboration oxidation. Now this one, water addition according to Markovnikov rule. Now here in first step B2H6 diborane. Actually BH3 is the reactive part, but BH3 unstable, cannot exist by its own, so we have to take that B2H6 diborane, and you will get that tripropyl borate. And next step, that oxidation, H2O2 OH minus alkali, and you will get the ultimate product is propanol. B2H6, second step, that oxidation. First step hydroboration, second step oxidation. Now see, now this step again repeat 2 times. That means this one again reacts with 2 molecules of propene, and ultimate product say we will get this. That means all the hydrogen of that BH3, all the 3 hydrogen of BH3 replaced by that propyl group. So 3 propene molecule reacts with BH3 and we will get that tripropyl borate. And that oxidation step is very simple. Just OH minus attack that carbon and that CB, that bond break, and ultimately we get 3 molecule of propanol. Oxidation step, that OH minus attack and that CB bond, that break. So that byproduct we will get H3BO3. Next, from aldehyde and ketone. Now from aldehyde and ketone we can easily prepare alcohol by using Grignard reagent. Now I already have one video on that Grignard reagent, go through that one. Actually see, Grignard reagent is a very important reagent in organic chemistry. It will help you in that conversion. If you know the proper use of Grignard reagent, it will help you in that conversion. So from aldehyde and ketone, by using Grignard, reagent. Now here remember one rule. Now formaldehyde when reacts with Grignard we will get primary alcohol. Aldehyde other than formaldehyde, when reacts with Grignard we get a secondary alcohol, and when ketone reacts with Grignard we get tertiary alcohol or 3-degree alcohol. Remember this, okay? Formaldehyde when reacts with Grignard we get 1-degree alcohol. Other aldehyde than that formaldehyde it will give 2-degree, and ketone will give 3-degree alcohol. So formaldehyde plus CH3 MgBr, CH3 minus MgBr plus C, nucleophilic addition reaction, CH3 CH2 O minus MgBr plus. Now always remember, when we use Grignard it followed by that hydrolysis step. When we use, that is a primary alcohol or 1-degree alcohol, primary alcohol or 1-degree alcohol. When we use Grignard, second step is always hydrolysis, remember this. So formaldehyde to primary alcohol. Acetaldehyde secondary alcohol. We'll get secondary alcohol from acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde to secondary alcohol, and acetone, it will give 3-degree alcohol. All these are nucleophilic addition reaction. Try to remember this mechanism, okay? Ignite, very important. Degree alcohol. So from acetone we will get 3-degree alcohol. Next, by reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Now in this case, say for aldehyde ketone we can use NaBH4 as well as lithium aluminum hydride. NaBH4 mild reducing agent and lithium aluminum hydride strong reducing agent. But for aldehyde ketone we can use any one of these. But to reduce ester acid chloride we cannot use NaBH4. Acid chloride, ester, to reduce acid chloride and ester we have to use lithium aluminum hydride because it is a strong reducing agent. So ketone to isopropan, that NaBH4. Remember, NaBH4 mild reducing agent. And lithium aluminum hydride strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent. So today this much. There will be a second part of this video. There we will discuss that remaining preparation of alcohol.